Good evening everyone. We are going to discuss about different types of parasites. So based on the interaction between the host and the parasite, we have many different relationships. So in this, first coming to the type of parasites. So the first type of parasites are the ectoparasites. So ecto means outer. The organisms or the parasites which live on the surface of the host are known as ectoparasites. So which live on the surface of the host body outside the host. They are known as ectoparasites. So example for ectoparasites are head lice, itch mites, ticks on dogs, copepods on fishes. So these are the examples of ectoparasites. So second type of parasites are monogenetic parasites. So mono means single or one. So any parasite which completes its life cycle only in one host, such type of parasites are known as monogenetic parasites. So example for monogenetic parasites are Entamoeba histolytica and Ascaris lumbricoides. So next coming to the another type of parasites known as digenetic parasites. So di means two. So any parasite which completes its life cycle in two different hosts. So here in mono we have only one host. Digenetic parasites we have two hosts. Okay, so example of digenetic parasite is Plasmodium vivax and Wuchereria bancroft. We have discussed about ectoparasites, monogenetic parasites and digenetic parasites. So we will be learning about another different type of relationship that is known as endoparasites. So the parasites which live inside the body of the host are called as endoparasites. So based on the place where they live inside the host, they are again classified into three different types. So in this, the first one is cytozoic parasites. So cytozoic means, cyto means cell. So the parasites which live within the cells, within the host cell. So for example, this is the cell and this is the parasite. So this is the cell and this is the parasite. If the parasite lives inside the host cell, such type of parasites are known as intracellular parasites or cytozoic parasites. The examples of cytozoic parasites are Plasmodium vivax in man and Nosema notabilis in Spirospora polymorpha. Second type of endoparasites are histozoic parasites. So which are also called as intercellular parasites. Inter means between the cells. Histozoic parasites, they live between the cells of tissues and organs of the host. So all the cells together will form tissues, tissues together will form organs. So here this parasites which live within the tissues and organs of the host are known as histozoic parasites or intercellular parasites. Again in the same way, inter means between the cells. So group of cells are known as tissues. So between the cells they reside like this. Such type of parasites are known as histozoic parasites. So next, the third type of parasites, endoparasites, are coelozoic parasites. So they live within the cavities of the host body. So they live in the spaces or cavities which are present in the host body. They are called as enterozoic parasites if they live in the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a part of the digestive system, and if these parasites they live in the alimentary canal of the host, then they are called as enterozoic parasites.